What is up guys, my name is Chase, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Google Chromecast 3rd generation. I got this for Christmas, so I'm like super happy about it. I've never actually been able to try out the Chromecast before, so this is going to be my first time trying it. So cutting off the plastic here. Alright, so right off the bat we got the Google Chromecast itself. This is the 3rd generation, I think I said. I remember back in the day it used to be just like a little stick. Now it's like this little, almost like a disc, I guess. Anyway, inside we have some cables and stuff. Here's our little USB brick. And then we have the actual USB cable, which is a micro USB. And then at the very bottom we have our little paperwork and stuff. So here's the Google Chromecast itself. It has an HDMI on the end that goes into your TV, and then here's the actual little device. It's got the micro USB port on the bottom, as well as a little, I'm guessing that's the power button. And then taking a look at the box here, it actually shows all of these apps that I guess the Chromecast is compatible with. We have YouTube, we have Netflix and Hulu, all that fun stuff. So anyway guys, I mean, that was just a really quick unboxing. I mean, it's a really tiny product. Thank you for watching this quick little unboxing of the Google Chromecast 3rd generation. My name is Chase, and I will see you again soon. Bye.